Hello everyone, I welcome all of you in today's English session. We are on page number 27, workbook lesson number 5, the story of Sindbad the Sailor. Here are few questions. You have to write answers for these questions in your notebook. Quick check. Who are the characters in this story? What is the story mainly about? Who took Sindbad to the king? How did the captain react on seeing Sindbad? How did Sindbad thank the king? Write your answers in your notebook. Page number 29. Factual and detailed comprehension. Whom did Sindbad travel with on his first voyage? Describe the things people did on the back of the sea monster. How did Sindbad manage to not sink? How did Sindbad meet the captain of the ship and what was the captain's reaction on seeing him? Page number 30. Why did Sindbad give valuable gifts to the king? Write at least 1 or 2 lines about the following with the help of the story. Sindbad, the sea monster, the king of the island. Vocabulary questions. Page number 31. Use the letters in the following words to make new and meaningful words. At least 5 each. Example: island, is, in, land, sand, and lead. Similarly, you have to make words, small words from these big words. Merchandise. Then here it will be and, dice, and many more. Immediately, exhausted, valuable, generous. From the lesson, find and list all the words that begin with the letter S, like Sindbad, sea monster, and find many more. Page number 32. Try to frame as many meaningful sentences as possible using the words listed. The letter I. You have to write the words that start with I, like island, inland. Try to frame as many meaningful sentences as possible using the words listed. Whichever words you list here, frame the sentences using same words. Is it possible to frame a sentence? Page number 33. Value-based questions, judgment and appreciation. Was Sindbad brave, lucky or smart? Explain your answer. Hence, what do you understand by his decision in the story? Are there parts of the story that prove that Sindbad has the qualities given above? Write your answer here. Page number 34. Imagine what people might have said on the following occasions. Write it down. You may write it in 1 or 2 lines, or you may write a long speech if you like. People on the ship saw a small island at a distance. The island began to shake and move. Some people managed to climb aboard the ship. The groom saw Sindbad on the shore. The captain of the ship recognized Sindbad. Sindbad said goodbye to the king. Write your answer here. Page number 35. Try to find more information about merchant ships, ports, and how the cargo is loaded or unloaded from ships today. Write your answer here. So children, complete your workbook in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you. Bye.